Welcome back to my channel. This summer, staying hydrated is everything. Today, I'll be sharing my go-to cucumber, ginger, and kiwi juice, which is packed full of electrolytes, vitamin C, anti-inflammatory goodness to keep you cool, energized, and glowing from inside out. So you're going to start off by peeling your cucumber and then cubing it up into small pieces. Cucumbers can be very hydrating. That's why I used a whole cucumber as the base for this juice. And then you're going to get your kiwi fruits and just peel off the brown layer and remove the white middle part. I love removing it since I'm using a blender. At this point, just add your cucumbers and kiwi fruits into your blenders, then get a thumb size of ginger. Go ahead and peel it up and then cube it up into small pieces. Add it to your cucumber and kiwi fruit in your blender. Add a bit of water just to help with the blending process. And then if you want a pulp-free juice, you can use a sieve. I normally use this particular sieve that I got from Shein. I've linked it in all my other videos. Make sure you go ahead and purchase it. It was less than £1, so it's really and it does the job, to be honest. And then I just store my juice away. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a comment down below and like it really does help grow my channel. Thank you.